So, assembly elections in Kerala. Ahead of that, the stage is set for the Congress party. The planning and a lot more expected today. Today, Rahul Gandhi is in Kerala. Let me go across directly to my colleague Arpita, who is joining us with the details. Arpita, Rahul Gandhi has arrived in Kochi. Take us through what is in Rahul Gandhi's itinerary, the meetings that are expected. It looks like a packed day for Rahul Gandhi there in Kerala. What are the details?
Well, yes, Pratibha, just a few months ahead of assembly election, Rahul Gandhi is in Kerala. He has landed in Kochi. He will then confer Padma Priyadarshini Literary Award to Leelavati, who is a very renowned writer. From there, he will come to Marine Drive in Kochi, where he will be addressing a huge gathering called Maha Panchayat. This is where he'll be addressing all the Congress leaders, all of them who had won in local body election, all of them who had contested in local body election. They'll be addressing them. So that is the schedule for Rahul Gandhi, after which he will depart for Delhi. Now this is important because last two weeks back, Home Minister Amit Shah was in Kerala to kickstart the BJP's official campaigning for assembly elections, and now Congress has started their official assembly election campaign with Rahul Gandhi in the state. And in coming days as well, UDF is planning a big rallies and other programs ahead of state election. We need to wait and watch. There are few important topics that needs to be addressed, like Sabrimala, Rahul Mamkuttathil issue and others. So we need to wait and watch if Rahul Gandhi, while addressing, will talk on these issues or not.
Okay, will Rahul Gandhi speak about the Sabrimala issue? Will he speak about the now expelled Congress leader Rahul Mamkuttathil? These are the questions that Rahul Gandhi faces as he arrives in Kerala. In fact, Arpita, there have also been differences within the Congress party as well. Any details on whether Rahul Gandhi will also be leading any election meetings in this regard? Because within the Kerala Congress, there is a clear divide, and now just a few months to go for the elections. What's the update on the preparations within Kerala, and whether Rahul Gandhi is going to step in to speak about the divide within the Kerala Congress?
While there seems to be all is not well within the Kerala unit of the Congress here in the state, the leaders, including Leader of Opposition V.D. Satheeshan and other top leaders, K.C. Venugopal, all of them have been maintaining a clear stand that all is well within the party leaders. There is clear communication, and they will work on the seat sharing and other formulas soon. And currently, when we asked about Rahul Gandhi's plan here when he's in Kerala, all of these leaders said that we will discuss later. Currently, his plan is to address the people, address the Congress leaders and local leaders who have won in the local body election. The main aim is to bring their increase their morale, because in the local body election, UDF had done a very incredibly exceptional performance in the local body election. So that is why they're very hopeful that even the assembly elections, they are going to do a very good job. And leaders, top leaders, including V.D. Satheeshan and K.C. Venugopal, are saying that here Rahul Gandhi's main aim is to talk to all the leaders, increase their morale, and bring all of them together to prepare for the state elections.
Okay, all right. Arpita, thank you for joining us with those details. With that, let's get our viewers another update coming in from Tamil Nadu.